Hello everyone, my topic is comparing sugar saturation point and salt saturation point. Here's my material needed, and there was no lack of any material, so my science experiment was successful. Here's my procedure. It's pretty much same as when we check salt saturation point, but different thing is just we need to use also sugar to check saturation point. Here's my prediction. Salt will have less dissolved solute because volume is bigger than sugar. I was thinking about bigger volume will dissolve less than a smaller volume. Here's my result. It was different with my prediction that salt dissolved 15 grams more than sugar at 50 milliliters of water. My prediction was wrong, but I learned volume doesn't matter how it's soluble. Thank you for listening to my presentation.
Did you, when you compared, what was the difference? Yeah.
Oh, like 15 grams?
15 grams which?
Because salt dissolves more. I will write it down. And here,
What's your title?
comparing sugar saturation point and salt saturation point. Like, you can write comparing sugars and salt saturation.
Okay, the volume of salt is bigger than the volume of sugar.
Well, because I compared it, I don't know if I know less.
So you just looked at one little tiny grain, one little tiny piece. So if you're thinking that way, do you think if you used like bigger pieces of salt, the salt would dissolve more? Like salt comes in different sizes, sugar comes in different size pieces.
I was thinking like a smaller volume will dissolve more.
Okay, so if you used bigger pieces of sugar,
Yes.
do you think the sugar would have dissolved more?
No, I didn't.
Okay.
Because I didn't say after experiment, bigger volume will dissolve more than smaller volume. Just my prediction was like a smaller volume dissolve more than a bigger volume, so I didn't.
What was the saturation point of sugar?
Sugar, it was it was like a 12 gram.
And that was for how much water?
50 milliliters of water.
50 milliliters.
And
Did you separate the salt and the sugar from the saturation?
no, just like we just get out the saturated solute and we measure the whole bottle and water and bottle and solution, and I minus the weight of bottle with the water, 50 milliliters.
But I think her question is, did you filter out the undissolved
Yes.
material?
Yes.
Yes, you did. Okay. Did you have any errors?
I think not.
So everything went exactly how you expected?
Yes.
Did you repeat the experiment or just do it one time?
Just do it one time.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Andrew. Nice job.